Guys, Amazon India running a contest. In that you can participate and win prizes like MacBook, cash, phones, earphones, earbuds, smartwatches, cameras. Is this real or fake? For that, you should watch this video until the end. And this is Jaran. You're watching MrTechie YouTube channel. Without wasting time, let's get started. Let's right into the main point. Is that real or fake? You can ask me, what's your experience on this to tell us is that real or fake? Guys, I've been participating in this Amazon contest for 4 months. Not only that, I researched some stuff on this in Chrome, YouTube, and Quora. Quora is a website. Not that website, definitely not, in which you can able to search any question regarding educational, like technology, various colleges. You, if you want to know what is the college and its reviews, you may get an answer from the experts or the students, from the particular students. So it works like that. In that, I searched for Amazon Fun Zone. Is it real or fake? Do people getting paid or not? I got an answer from a person who won in that. He says that he got 60,000 rupees from Amazon on winning a contest. After winning, the next day he will got a message from Amazon that he got paid 60,000 in his Amazon Pay balance. He just told me that, and there is no proof. It doesn't give me any proof. It's waste of time, guys. Don't fall for it. Okay, don't do it. But you can try instant cash contest. There you will win, and if you want, you will get paid instantly. You can get 0 to 100 rupees. Yeah, it's little, but you'll get none. And also it's very often. It's like once a week or even oftenly than that. So guys, other than this, there are multiple contests running out there, and in that you have to spin a wheel and you get multiple choice questions. And if you select that right, then you will go to the next level, which is a lucky draw. In that list, your name will be added. After the lucky draw, if your name comes, then you win the money. You guys see how difficult it is. But in this, you will get instant payment. That's it. Guys, you can use this money all the transactions except cash on delivery. Yeah, and till now I got 367 rupees from this. And that's my honest review on Amazon Fun Zone contest. If you like this video, give me thumbs up. If you don't like this video, give me dislike. But let me know in the comment section below what's the reason behind that dislike, and I'll try to improve myself. If you want more videos like this, then subscribe my channel now, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.